Nike reimagines the Dunk Low for Fall 2025 with the Black Croc edition, delivering a bold, upscale twist on the iconic silhouette. Embracing a stealthy all-black colorway, this release replaces traditional leather with croc-embossed faux reptile skin across the upper. Glossy textures on the toe, mid-panel, and heel are balanced by matte suede swooshes and heel tabs for added depth. A nylon tongue adds sport-inspired contrast, while golden Nike embroidery accents the tongue and heel, injecting a luxe flair. Matching black sole units complete the cohesive design, blending fashion-forward style with everyday wearability. This model follows the eye-catching carbon green drop, offering a more refined and versatile aesthetic. As part of Nike's push to refresh the Dunk with premium materials and modern appeal, the Black Croc stands out. Expect it to release via Nike.com during the Fall 2025 season.